I'm quickly going to apply my what is this? Hope you're all doing well. Cut up का जा रहा है. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, and I am Neha, and I bring you beauty and lifestyle related videos every Wednesday or Thursday. In today's video I have created this look for Navratri, Garba night or Dandiya night, whatever you call it. So this is dancing appropriate sweat proof makeup that I did. Would love for you guys to watch this video till the end to know how I created this look. So without further ado, let's get into the video. My lips are really chapped. First I'll be using this lip balm. I've done my CTM as always. I have prepped my skin. मैंने मुंह धो लिया है, मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा लिया है, सनस्क्रीन लगा लिया है, बिकॉज मैं दिन में मेकअप कर रही हूँ. अगर आप शाम को मेकअप करो तो इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी. So first step, we are going to prime our face. I'm using this Mars Pore Cure primer, and this is so good. I've already talked about this in my previous video. I will share that video in the I button somewhere here. So I am taking a good amount because I have some bumps on my face. So I am mostly going to focus on this area, my T-zone and under the eye, because सबसे ज़्यादा मेरा pores और fine lines यहीं पे हैं, which I want to minimize for sure. So we are done with our primer and it looks smooth a little bit. Yeah, it looks smooth. And now I will let it sit for 5 minutes and then I will move on to my color correction and my foundation. Now I'm going to use my corrector, which is this NY Bay in the shade Almond. This is a cream product, so yeah. I'm going to be applying it under my eye. We are done with our concealer, corrector, yes, Bronson Professional Sponge, and I'm just going to blend it where it is. We are done with our corrector and this is how this looks. I look a little orange, I know, but wait. Okay, so I am going to use Maybelline Superstay in the shade 220 Natural Beige, and whenever you are using a liquid product, just shake it well. Okay, so tell me, what is your favorite part about Navratri? Festive season in general. I want to know, how do you celebrate Navratri or Durga Puja or Garba? Do you do Garba? I used to. When I used to live in Madhya Pradesh, there we used to have Garba nights and everything. But then we shifted to Lucknow and it was not that common here. Now I'm going to blend this. I have used Maybelline Superstay because this is a long lasting foundation and it stays on your skin no matter what. I have done my foundation. Now I will spray a little bit of setting spray. I am using Flower Beauty setting spray, and this is my first international celebrity owned product. The mister is so good on this. I like it. This is so good. And this is so affordable. I mean, for a setting spray, and that too international owned. I mean, wow, this cost only 420 rupees. Okay, so we are done with our foundation. I will let this setting spray sit for a minute or two. I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty concealer, shade 4. Now I'm going to apply this right here. These are all the places I apply my concealer. तो मेरा कंसीलर हो गया, और आई विल शेयर अ सीक्रेट विद यू. और जब भी आप कंसीलर लगाओ, हाइलाइटिंग कंसीलर स्पेशली, लेट इट सिट फॉर अ मिनट और 2 जहाँ पे भी आपने लगाया है, और उसके बाद उसको ब्लेंड करो, एंड यू विल सी द डिफरेंस. जो कवरेज मिलेगा ना, it's amazing. Use this brush to blend my concealer. So we are all blended out. कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा after blending. I'm going to use this Color Essence HD face powder as a brush, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use a sponge instead. Step that I'm doing right now is called baking. Yeah, ये वो वाला baking नहीं है जो हम किचन में करते हैं. ये मेकअप बेकिंग होता है, which means you are filling your fine lines with powder. Till then I'm going to do my contour. I'm using this NY base stick for contouring. I'm again using this same beauty blender to blend all of this. So I have blended my contour. Now I am going to dust off this powder with a fluffy brush. We are going to do blush, and I am using this L'Oreal Paris Signature Rouge lipstick as my blush, and I will take a little bit of foundation. I have shown this trick in my video on Instagram. If you have not seen it, check it out. Okay, so this is how I do it. I use a little bit of foundation and little bit of lipstick. Okay, so it gives a natural sort of blush which looks very pretty. Let me show you. See, it gives a very natural. I am going a little overboard with my blush because blush looks pretty. Just quickly going to blend it. This looks good. It looks natural as well. I love this trick. Do try it out. ये ज़रूर try करना ये step. Like अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा blush वाला feel नहीं चाहिए, natural inner sort of जो redness होती है वो चाहिए, then try this step and you will love it. Okay, so we are almost done with our base. I am to apply my highlighter quickly. This is Maybelline Master Chrome, but I have kept it in this because मेरा वाला पैन टूट गया था. अगर आप मुझे देखते हो तो आपको पता होगा. So I am taking this brush and this. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for the glow? I am ready for that glow. Wow. I love myself with this highlighter. Love this glow. Shining bright is what we do. To quickly set this once again with my Flower Beauty setting spray. Definitely melts all your makeup together. We are going to move on to our eyes. I will use this Mars eyebrow palette. First, I brush it down. I have also reviewed this on my Instagram, so do check it out. So we are done with our brows and it looks good. Oh. So I am going to use this palette today. This is Urban Mac. This is a copy of Beauty Glazed palette. They have not named it the same, but yeah, it's the same palette. It has like 4 color boards, like a blue family, a pink family, orange and green. So I am going to be doing a little bit of orange and gold. I'm going to be using this orange palette right here. I am going to do a very simple look that you can do anytime. You don't have to depend on festivals, but yes, you can do it anytime you want. You are going to love this look. Let me bring out my tools. Let me bring you a little closer. I'm going to prep my eyelids first. I will use the Sugar Ace of Stick Foundation, Ace of Face Stick Foundation. I'm going to set it with powder. I'm using the Color Essence powder. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade Toffee. Okay, I'm using this pencil brush first. Make a slanting line. अब मैं इसको थोड़ा सा डार्क करूँगी using the brown shade on this. A little bit of this shade, very lightly going over the same line that we made. Now I'm using this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade Champagne. This is how this looks, and I am going to apply it all over my lid because we want that glittery sort of feel. This is how this looks. It looks pretty. I like it. Now the outer be a little darker, a tad bit darker. I'm going to use a thicker brush. this looks. Now I'm going to do my inner corner. I'm using a bronzy gold sort of shade as my inner highlight. Take the darker shade and do my lower lash line. This is how this looks so far. I like it. This is festive. This can be your festive look or party look, whatever you want it to be. I think I want to go in with a little bit of green also, so I'm using that pop of color. Looks good so far until here. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm using this Mars matte black eyeliner. This is a sketch form. I'm going to make a very small wing. Let's see if this goes as So this is how this looks. Okay. Now I'm going to be applying mascara. I am going to be doing my false lashes and I will come back. Now I will quickly do my other eye and come back. So I am done with both my eyes. Okay. Now I am going to quickly apply my mascara. I am going to use this Color Bar mascara. It is sort of 2-in-1. I am not going to be applying on my upper lash. I am going to be applying it on. Now I will quickly apply my lipstick. I'm going to outline my lips. Going to be mixing these two lipsticks. This is Maybelline and L'Oreal. I'm going to apply a very tiny amount of this Maybelline. This is in the shade Chocoholic. Then I will apply this L'Oreal one. This look. Okay, so I'll quickly dress up and I will come back. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. अगर पसंद आया हो तो thumbs up करिएगा और कमेंट करके मुझे बताइएगा कि कैसा लगा. एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली.